Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to replace sky in Photoshop 2023 fast and easy. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just opened Photoshop software. So this is my Photoshop software. So I have one image father with a daughter relationship. So this is a capture of image. I need to change the entire sky. So how to replace within a minute, easy trick. So first and foremost, you need to go to layer option. Once you go to layer option, so this is the layer. So you can identify what are the layers are available. So if you want to take a duplicate of this layer, just press Ctrl J to take a duplicate. So this is the background and this is the duplicate layer. So now I just want to select only the sky of this photo. What I have to do here, just go to select menu and you can find option called sky. Once you click a sky option, it will select only the sky. Yes, from my photo only the sky option is selected. So now just go to edit menu and you will find option called sky replacement. Once you click the sky replacement option, yes, as you see the magic, it will change a sky. So if you want to change a sky model, so here there will be a sky soft edge, shift edge and fade edges will be there. Just choose the sky option. You will have a plenty of sky options and sunset, everything will be there. So if I want to make this one as a sunset model, so I just click here for the sunset, automatically my background will be changed as the sunset model. So within a minute it will be changing your entire screen and sky option. So you can choose whatever screen and whatever style you want. For example, if you want to make as a beach background or any other thing, it will change the sky option. So for example, I just change for any other images, the sky replacement will help you. So if you want to like a blue sky option, so just scroll down, you will get a plenty of blue sky options. So choose the blue sky, which blue sky which is better to have access. So this is the sky which will be perfectly alright in my photograph, and you just click here for shift edges. So you can increase the shift edges. Once I increase or decrease means the options will be modified, and fade edges you have to make as 100% because the picture as well as the image should be fading over there. And brightness if you want to increase, or temperature if you want, and scale if you want to increase, you can do whatever you want. So use this option to change your sky, replace your sky. For example, background of your road and background of any other things, you can use this sky replacement using your edit menu. So once you complete all the things, just choose the new layer and click OK, means automatically you will find and you will get a new layer with a sky replacement. So if you want to just hide this and see this one, this is the old one and this is the new one. So the sky replacement will be ready and you can able to access your entire things. So if you want to see this one, so this is the old model of photos, and with the sky replacement I can able to see. So how to deselect this option, just press Ctrl D to deselect all the options. So this is the output which will be easy for Photoshop to have an entire access within a minute. My sky will be replaced using my Photoshop. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.